Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Great Americans Day. In 1985, however, Great Americans Day, falling on the third Monday of every January, also became a legal holiday in Biloxi. Interestingly, before it was Martin Luther King Jr. Day or even Great Americans Day, it was a holiday commemorating the General of the Confederate Army, Robert E. Lee. Lee's birthday, Jan.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Martin Luther King Jr. was a Baptist minister and social rights activist in the United States in the 1950s and 60s. He was a leader of the American Civil Rights Movement. 5 days ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.